What's up, guys? It's LA Smith here from KKMinistry.com. Look, I want to share this story with you guys. It's kind of crazy. I'm going to put the link to the story in the description or the more info section of this video so you can go and check it out in its entirety for yourself. But the basics of the story is, okay, let me tell you the story. This lady's driving down the street in her car. She's on the highway when all of a sudden her car just shuts down. Engine cuts off. Well, come to find out, there's nothing wrong with the car. Guess why her car shut down on her on the highway while she was driving? It's because her lender remotely turned off the car because she was behind on her payments. Now you tell me that's not technological control. Unbelievable. And there's another story about another lady that the lender also shut her car down. And you can go check that out for yourself. But this is just another example of how technology is being used to monitor and control us, and how man's knowledge is significantly increasing, just like the Bible said it would. Thanks for watching, you guys. As always, peace and love.